Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the source and transfer. Export or convert your video to MP4H. 264 with a reasonable bitrate around 5 Mbps and 1920 x 1080 or 1280 x 720 resolution, so Twitter won't re-encode aggressively. Once done, choose 16, 9 or 1 aspect, and give the file a short, simple name. Make sure your connection is stable. Upload over Wi-Fi or strong 4G. These first steps reduce platform compression and set you up for the next adjustments. Now refine encoding and app settings to preserve clarity. You should export audio as AAC at 128 kbps and lock frame rate at 30 fps to match Twitter's processing. Higher frame rates often trigger re-encoding. In the Twitter app, turn off Data Saver and enable high-quality uploads or media preferences. This prevents aggressive downscaling. Once encoded correctly, test uploads from both mobile and desktop, since Twitter sometimes applies different compression paths, and compare results to choose the best workflow. Finish by verifying playback and handling problems if quality dips. After posting, view the video on several devices and on cellular data to see how Twitter serves it. If you notice artifacts, trim a few seconds and re-export slightly higher bitrate or lower resolution. Sometimes smaller files compress better. Make sure to clear the app cache and update Twitter. If the problem persists, report the issue with a concise example clip. This troubleshooting loop helps you find a stable upload method quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.